Sheryl Mays, your Chief Experience Officer, here for Breaking the Script number 3, Abandon the Sound of Reasonableness. Reasonableness means moderate. It means to be sensible. But we are trying to enhance and increase the customer's lifetime value for your business. And sometimes you have to take a risk. It can be a calculated risk, but it's going to go outside of the sound of reasonableness, because that's where great experiences rest. And it can still be profitable to your business. It can still increase your bottom line and be acceptable to your stakeholders. Abandoning the sound of reasonableness allows your customers to walk away feeling like they've had something that they haven't had before. And this is something they want again and again and again. Abandon the sound of reasonableness.